This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. Now that I have basted the front to the back of the sleeping bag on the bottom half of the side and then all along the bottom edge, I'm going to use this bright coordinating ribbon to pin along the edges, and then at the end we'll have a nice bow tie on the side, just kind of as decoration as much as anything else. It won't really be functional, it'll just be a decoration. But I'm going to pin this ribbon around the top half of the side, and then all the way around the top, and then the back side back here. And then we'll get back to the sewing machine to sew that portion on. Another option for this trim on the side would have been seam binding that would have wrapped around the edges, but I like the bright color of the green. I just think it'll be pretty with the lining on the inside. Another thing that we could have done was to put an applique on the front, or an initial of the little girl whose bag this will be, would be a nice decoration. Even buttons sewn randomly on the front, or just little bow ribbons on the front would also be pretty. But ours will just have the green trim around the edges, and we'll continue to the next step in the next clip, which will be sewing on the trim.